I'm Joanne Faulkner. I'm a Shiatsu practitioner and I specialise in the energy of food in Chinese medicine. It sounds complex and it is a very ancient system. It's 4,000 years old, but really I simplify it into very easy stages using the 5 elements so that each of the elements has 2 organs, it has a flavour, it has a time of year, it has an emotion, and we put that all together so that you know what is good for you, so that you can actually interpret your body symptoms and make the healthy changes that you want to make. I teach you acupressure points and stretches for the body and meditations for the body so that we meet our emotional needs and don't use food as a crutch to support us emotionally. If you think that's something for you, go along to the YouTube channel, subscribe to the website, buy the book, it's a great place to start. And of course you can always contact me on the email or on Facebook. I hope to see you at a kitchen table very soon.